Hi, I'm Andy with Precision Garage Door here in Las Vegas. Today we're going to go over how to change batteries in your handheld remotes. We have two different types of remotes here. Yours may not look exactly the same, but the basics are identical. This particular unit works with a LiftMaster. You'll see the three buttons on here. Typically, when the batteries have failed, the lights, the LED lights in here will not light up. If that's the case, battery changing is very, very simple to do. This particular unit has small screws on the back side. With a small screwdriver, all you have to do is to remove the screws. And this, you will gain access to the inside of the unit. As you can see, there are two batteries right in here. There are the thin wafer type watch batteries. Don't worry about the insides coming out. You're not going to break it. So now we have the inside where the batteries go. We're going to use the small screwdriver again to help us pry the batteries out. Here's one. And there's the other one. So, one of the key things to remember is there are two batteries, and the polarity has to be the same. So you'll take your new batteries, and again, these have to get sandwiched together. Some of the newer batteries also have a tab on one side. Don't forget to pull that tab off, otherwise they won't make contact and the battery still will not work in the remote. Take the battery, make sure the polarity is correct. You'll see the plus sign here and the plus sign on the battery. We want those to face each other. It also says negative side down. That would be the bare side right there. Slide that in. Slide this one in with it. And you have now replaced your batteries. Take your remote insides, pop it back in here as such, place the case on, and then it's just a simple matter of putting the screws in place. So that's a simple, quick change out of this particular unit's batteries. Some of the other remotes may look similar to this, not exactly the same, but typically they all have a slot around somewhere on the body that you can stick a small screwdriver or a dime into and just pry it open. And you'll see very similar on the inside. These are different numbers, batteries, but the same procedure is taken for these as well. So if after changing your batteries in your remote does not resolve your problem, you can contact your local garage door professional and they can come out and check to see if anything else in the system is faulty.